Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I have not been consistent with my uploads, but that is going to change this year. I promise. So, how are you today? I am exhausted. I filmed this video once before, and at the very end, I noticed there was black beans right in my front teeth. So, take two. So for today's video, we're going to be testing some best-selling products and top-rated products from Amazon. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Workup Gel. Wake Up Gel, Eye Gel. So this is a lightweight gel cream. Some of the key ingredients are yerba mate and caffeine and 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, which claim to brighten, depuff, and hydrate the under eyes. So what you're supposed to do is apply a pea-sized amount around the eye area with the ring finger. And this gel is fragrance-free, by the way, and it doesn't have any noticeable scent. Now this eye gel was only $6, which is why I got it. It helps reduce the signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines, which I noticed very slightly upon my first use. I'll have to keep using it to see if I really notice a difference, but I find it does feel nice and cooling around the eyes and soothing, so I will continue to use it, but I don't know that it made a huge difference right away. For $6, I'll continue to use it and I'll let you know. Up next, we have the Tree Hut Cocoa Colada Shea Sugar Scrub. I said it correctly this time. So this scrub is thick and creamy, and it smells, as they put it, poolside summer vibes. So it's a nice thick and creamy scrub. Oh, that scent, it's like smelling sunscreen but without the SPF, if that makes any sense at all. So this contains shea butter, coconut oil, pineapple, and 6 oils, and it claims to deeply nourish and remove dead skin. For application, it says to apply to damp or dry skin, buff in circular motions, and rinse. So this scrub, besides smelling amazing, works amazing to slough off dead skin cells and hydrate the skin without leaving it greasy. So I think this would be perfect for using before you self-tan or get a spray tan, because it doesn't leave that greasy film. Your skin feels hydrated and exfoliated, but it's not... It just doesn't leave anything greasy on the skin. I can't explain it. It just feels soft and hydrated without that greasy feel. So I would 10 out of 10 recommend this. It is divine, and I believe it was under $10 on Amazon for this big tub too. Up next, we have the My Smile Teeth Whitening Strips. These contain 20% carbamide peroxide. That's the active ingredient that whitens your teeth. It claims to give you no sensitivity when you're using it, before or after. And it claims to remove years of stains in 5 treatments. And it does contain the 5 treatments. It comes with a shade guide so you can track your whitening results. You just tear open the packs and apply to the top and bottom teeth. Leave on for 30 minutes and rinse. So I left mine on for an hour because I read on Amazon that you could. I don't know if that is actually true or not, so I would recommend just leaving it on for 30 minutes. So I definitely feel like after just one treatment that my teeth do appear at least a shade whiter. I would definitely recommend these. Like I said, I saw results after just one treatment. I didn't notice any sensitivity during the use or after, which is amazing because every other whitening strip, gel, whatever I've used has made my teeth a little bit sensitive, but these do not. And they actually work. And I feel like these work faster in less time and less treatments than like the Crest White Strips, which come with a lot more treatments in the pack, but they aren't as effective each time, if that makes sense. So I would definitely recommend these. Up next, we have the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. So this is an eyeliner with a brush tip, and it is very, very pigmented. Oh, I absolutely love this eyeliner. Spoiler alert. I'm actually wearing it right now, and it does last all day, which is fantastic. It claims to be waterproof, 24-hour wear, and smudge and flake proof, which I definitely feel like it is. The brush tip on here is a game changer. It just glides over eyeshadow. You can get such a sharp, crisp, smooth line, and you get one swipe payoff, so you're not sitting there trying to build up your eyeliner. So I would definitely recommend this eyeliner. Next up, we have the Bliss Block Star Sheer Liquid Daily Sunscreen, which is an SPF 50. It's a light lotion texture and is also fragrance free. The ingredients contain 20% zinc oxide, which is the SPF, and it's 100% mineral sunscreen. It leaves very little white cast, if any, and it just blends so seamlessly into the skin, and it doesn't feel greasy or anything. It does feel hydrating to the skin, but it doesn't feel greasy at all. It claims that it won't clog pores and that it is sweat and waterproof up to 80 minutes. So I definitely love this sunscreen for under makeup. It doesn't break up your foundation or anything. It doesn't leave greasy residue. It just sits beautifully under foundation. I wouldn't recommend this for wearing alone. For that, I recommend their SPF 30 Block Star. It's a tinted sunscreen and it's so smoothing and it looks beautiful on its own, or with a little bit of loose powder tapped over the top of it. It looks so pretty. But I would definitely recommend this one for under makeup. Finally, we're at the end. Thank you so much for sticking with me on this one. So the very last product we have for today is the Freeman Flirty Feet Instant Foot Peeling Spray. So this is exactly what it says. It's a foot peeling spray. You basically spray it on your feet and rub in circular motions with your hand, and it's supposed to get the dead skin off. It does smell very faintly of coconut and aloe, which is what it claims to smell like, but it also smells like probably the chemical that's used to exfoliate your skin. It's supposed to hydrate your skin as well as exfoliate. And what you do is you spray it on clean, dry feet, rub in circular motions, and then cleanse. So what I did is I actually did that, and then I used a rasping tool on my feet afterward to really get off the dead skin, and it worked phenomenally. And you can use this every 7 to 10 days, which is amazing. But I feel like it worked really well without the rasping tool, but the rasping tool was a game changer for this. So I would definitely recommend this. It is a game-changing product. Wow, I can't believe I didn't have any fails, but it's really not that surprising when you consider that these are all best-selling products and top-rated products from Amazon. I want to thank you so much for watching and for being here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give this video a like if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.